Welcome back to episode 7. Today, we are going to talk about the magic ingredient. We've talked about logic and architecture and security. Those are the bones of software. But today, we are talking about the soul. We are talking about the creative spark. AI is a master of the past. It has read everything that has already happened. It knows the patterns, the rules, and the common ways of doing things. But AI cannot dream. It cannot look at a problem and come up with a solution that has never existed before. That out-of-the-box thinking is the exclusive property of the human software engineer. Think of AI like a very talented cover band. They can play every song ever written perfectly. They can sound just like the Beatles or Queen, but they can't write a new song. They can't feel the emotion of a moment and turn it into something new. Innovation is like writing a new song. It's about seeing a gap in the market that nobody else sees. It's about understanding a human pain point and creating a tool that solves it in a way that feels like magic. As a founder, you aren't just looking to do what everyone else is doing. You are looking to do what nobody else can do. That is why you started your company. When you use AI assistants, you are using them to handle the repetitive parts of coding. This is a huge gift. In the past, engineers spent 80% of their time on boring, repetitive tasks and only 20% on the creative spark. AI flips that. It does the 80% of the drudge work, which frees up your human team to spend 80% of their time on innovation. This is the true power of tech leadership in 2026. You aren't hiring people to be typists. You are hiring them to be Imagineers. You are giving them the space to experiment, to fail, and to find the breakthrough that will make your company a leader in its field. But here is the danger. If you rely too much on AI, your product will start to look and feel just like everything else. It will be average. Because AI is built on averages. It takes the most likely answer. But average is the enemy of the founder. You want to be exceptional. You want the human irregularity, that weird, brilliant idea that doesn't fit the pattern. That is what your customers will fall in love with. Your human software engineers are the ones who add the human touch to the digital world. They are the ones who make the app feel intuitive, the service feel personal, and the solution feel tailored to the user's life. As a leader, your job is to encourage this creative spark. Don't just give your team a list of tasks. Give them a problem to solve. Tell them, our customers are struggling with X. How can we fix it in a way that will blow their minds? Then, give them the tools, AI assistants, to help them build the boring parts fast so they can spend their energy on the mind-blowing parts. This is how you implement AI to grow your market share. You don't use it to replace creativity. You use it to supercharge it. In our next lesson, we are going to talk about scaling for founders. We will look at how you can build a massive global company with a smaller, more focused team than ever before. It's about being lean and mean, and it's the only way to win in the new economy. Stick around, because this is where your business growth really starts to take off. Innovation is the heartbeat of your company. Please like this video and follow us so you can keep that heart beating strong. If you are ready to spark something new in your tech, visit us at www.consultwithkrishna.com.